Okay, I've found a lot of cups during my dumpster diving, and I'm thinking of how to make full use of them because I only have one cup that I always use to keep my coffee warm. But the rest of the cups kind of like not fully utilized. So I'm thinking instead of keeping it in a drawer or things like that, might as well use them as a stationery, a way to keep the stationaries. So I have a lot of stationaries. This is just part of it, and I'm going to put over that side, so it's reachable where I'm sitting. So that area is one of the best place. So let's get down to it. Okay, so now I'm gonna rearrange some of the cups to make the taller ones at the back, the shorter one at the front, and make it more nicer to look at. Because right now it's a little bit random, like everywhere, every place. Okay, so basically I've just turned this shoebox and a couple of cups into a stationary corner of my bed stand. And this place is very accessible to where I sit. I just need to reach over and just grab whatever I need, even scissors or screwdrivers and pens and rubbers. So get a big shoebox and a couple of cups that you do not use often, and you can create a stationary corner for yourself. Yeah.